Hey guys, back for week 6, day 1 questions. Alright, question number 1. According to the text, what happens when organisms cannot adapt to changes in their environment? Is it A, they move to another environment, B, they risk dying out, C, nothing happens, or D, they wait for their environment to change again? Go to paragraph 2 on page 661 to find the best answer. Alright, number 2. What does the author mainly describe in the text? Is it A, how natural selection changed the population of peppered moths? B, how the Industrial Revolution improved the lives of workers? C, how Charles Darwin devised his theory of natural selection? Or D, how humans influenced organisms via artificial selection? All right, which one of those answers best tells you what the author mainly describes in the text? All right, number 3. Smoke given off by the factories threatened the survival of the light gray peppered moths. What evidence from the text best supports this conclusion? Was it A, soot is a black substance that collects on a surface that comes into contact with the smoke? B, when coal burns, it gives off a lot of dark-colored smoke? C, predators could see the light gray peppered moths on the black trees covered by soot and easily hunt them? Or D, the trees began to blacken with soot because of all of the smoke in the air from the factories? All right, go to paragraph 1, page 662 to help you with that answer. All right, question number 4. What conclusion can you draw from the change in population of the light gray peppered moths and the dark colored peppered moths? Was it A, the color change had nothing to do with the change in the environment? B, there were previously no dark colored peppered moths? C, the lighter peppered moths migrated to a new environment? Or D, darker coloring is currently better for the peppered moth's survival? Question number 5. What is the text mostly about? Is it about A, Charles Darwin, B, the Industrial Revolution, C, natural selection, or D, Earth's ice ages? All right, look at the title of the reading passage and that'll help you with that one. Question number 6. Read the following sentences. In the English countryside near industrialized areas, the trees began to blacken with soot because of all of the smoke in the air from the factories. This made the light gray peppered moths much more vulnerable. Predators could see them on the trees more clearly and easily hunt them down. What does the word vulnerable mean? Does it mean A, a quick change, B, open to attack, C, easily defended, or D, in a strong position? Question number 7. Choose the answer that best completes the sentence below. Blank of the smoke given off by coal burned in the factories, the nearby trees became blackened with soot. What word or group of words best fills in that blank? Is it A, on the other hand, B, primarily, C, as an illustration, or D, as a result? Put each of those choices on the line and reread the sentence and choose the one that sounds the best. All right, question number 8. What is natural selection? Well, in paragraph 3, page 661 will help you with that answer. Question number 9. How did the peppered moth's environment change and what caused this change? Go to paragraph 5 on page 661 and paragraphs 2 and 3 on page 662. All right. Question number 10. How did the peppered moth population become mostly dark colored? Paragraph 2, page 662. All right, that's it for today. See you tomorrow, day 2.